unfortunately, I cleaned the intake manifold and put the throttle body back in, and I took it for a spin. It idled fine, but I took it for a spin, and when I would give it a little gas, it would want to shut off or bog. And I was like, well, maybe the intercooler has, methanol, and it sure does. It's dripping. I haven't took it apart, but you guys are about to see it. Now, if I could just find my tool. Where's my tool? Where's my tool at? Well, guys, next time you're messing with that, make sure you wear eye gear. I normally do. I don't know what I was thinking. But the screw fell off. I took the screw off and it just came down. I didn't think it was gonna fall all the way. I don't know what I was thinking, but now I got methanol everywhere. But we got it drained. I mean, I guess from here on out, we'll just start it and see, or put it back together and see if it runs right now. Because I took it out for a spin right now, and I just barely give it gas, and it would want to shut off like it was running really rich or something. So I'm assuming it was that it was sucking up all that methanol, and it wasn't, wasn't racing or nothing. But it's a lot, as you can see. It's all that, plus whatever I sucked up yesterday with this. See if I can... Oh, which really isn't much. It already dried. But I guess all of it went down to here, so I guess I'm not that worried about the engine being messed up. But now I gotta clean this up. So there you guys have it. If you guys like, subscribe, share. Don't mind my messy hair. Just got up and came straight to work on this. So thanks for watching. See you guys.